Hey girl, it's Nessa. Welcome back. So today we are going to continue with part 2 of the first impressions of Obia Naturals. Today I am going to be doing a twist out and I'm going to be using their two different creams. This is the Curl Moisture Cream and this is the Sweet Almond Heavy Cream to do a twist out and compare on each side of my hair and let you guys know how it performs on type 4 hair. So if this is something that interests you, keep on watching. But before we start, if you are new here, welcome. I appreciate you for clicking on this video and I hope you like what you see. We talk everything beauty on this channel and my goal is to inspire you to be the best version of yourself that you can be. So if that interests you, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And that's pretty much it for now. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're starting off with the right side and I'm using the Curl Moisture Cream. This isn't a twist out tutorial, by the way. I have detailed tutorials that I can link for you in the description box if you are interested. Just make sure you check it out. But as far as the cream, it is said to be a lightweight leave-in conditioner that can also be used as a moisturizer, and it is not supposed to weigh your hair down. It is pH balanced and contains oils to seal in moisture and minimize frizz by smoothing and closing your cuticles. You can either use it on wet or dry hair. That is your choice. I decided to use it right after I washed my hair so I could style. It is said to be safe for color treated hair, formulated for all hair textures, so whether you're curly or kinky, you should be okay. And it is also made with natural ingredients, just like the other items from her line. Not only is the cream a leave-in conditioner, but Obia also shares other ways you can use it, such as for roller sets, flexi rods, twist outs. I guess I am not crazy after all for doing a twist out with a leave-in conditioner, okay? And you can even use it for wash and goes. Now, if you watched last week's video, I mentioned that I wish that the brand offered a leave-in conditioner. Well, this is it. This is your leave-in conditioner right here. Usually, as far as what I'm used with, brands label their leave-in conditioner front and center in the front of the container, but here you actually have to read the description for you to figure it out. Reading is fundamental, so always make sure you pay attention not only to the front of the container but also to the back, to what they say in the back. Now, as far as ingredients, they are all on the screen for you, but the first 5 are purified water, dihydramonium, methyl sulfate, and cetyl alcohol. Those 2 are emulsifiers. They enable water and oil to come together to form a cream, which is what we have here. Grapeseed oil, this is said to be, it's said to contain emollients, antioxidants, and nutrients that are essential to healthy hair growth. Vegetable glycerin, which is a humectant, and I think that all of her products contain glycerin in the top 5 ingredients. So if you're one of those people whose hair don't respond well to glycerin, this may not be for you. The cream is truly a very lightweight and moisturizing product. It seems like it sits on the hair when first applied, but it truly absorbs pretty well and doesn't leave any residue. And as far as my final thoughts, we'll go over that in a few after we talk about the Sweet Almond Heavy Cream. Okay, so we are on the left side and I am using the Sweet Almond Heavy Cream. This cream is said to be hydrating to quench the thirst of the driest hair strands. I sounded very extra just now. This is not exactly how they described it on their website, but I just thought that this sounded cute. Anyways, it is meant to penetrate the hair to provide necessary moisture. It is formulated for all hair textures as well. You can use it either on wet or dry hair, just like the Curl Moisture Cream, and it is also safe to use on color treated hair. The usage suggestions are for twist outs, braid outs, and bent to knot styles. It also says that if you're looking for extra definition, to spray this section with the curl hydration spray, which I featured in last week's video. If you haven't seen that yet, check the description box. Then you will twist or braid however you like. Now I'm assuming that you're supposed to spray that section after you apply the cream. I'm not sure, but that's what makes sense to me, so we'll go with that. As far as ingredients, check the screen for the full list, but the first 5 are purified water, sweet almond oil, which provides moisture to the hair but also to the scalp, stearoyl alcohol, which is a moisturizing agent, vegetable glycerin, a humectant, and castor seed oil, which helps in increasing the blood circulation to your scalp, which improves hair growth. The sweet almond heavy cream is also very moisturizing and penetrates well into your hair shaft, just like the curl moisture cream, and it doesn't leave any residue. Now the cream is marketed as a thick cream. I actually did not see that in the product that I was using. When I'm thinking of thick, this isn't the consistency that I have in mind. It is slightly thicker than the curl moisture cream, slightly, but I still wouldn't call it a thick cream. I'm not saying this is an issue, but I'm just saying that's not really what I was using. It also has these little grains in there, just kind of like the cream actually curdled. I honestly don't know if that's how the cream is supposed to look like or if I just received a bad batch. I really don't know. As far as scent, both creams have a light perfumey smell that I am very impartial to. Now I am all done with my twist. It is late in the night. I am going to sleep and I will see you tomorrow to unravel. So here we are, guys, 6 days later, only because tomorrow is wash day and I am going to be putting my hair in mini twists, that I am actually unraveling those twists right now, and we're going to find out what the results are. So let's take a look. So far, I am loving the definition that I'm seeing here. And remember, this side was the sweet almond cream, sweet almond heavy cream, and the other side was the curl moisture. So I will continue untwisting and unravel every twist, and we'll see the results of this twist out today. So right now I'm checking in the mirror to see if I see any huge difference between the two sides, and the only difference I'm really noticing is that this side right here, which was the side that I used the curl moisture to twist my hair, looks a little bit shinier than the other side. I don't know if it really reflects to you guys on camera, but that's pretty much it. Both sides feel moisturized still after 6 days. The only thing I really did within those 6 days was use the curl hydration spray a couple times in the morning just to kind of give my hair a little bit of moisture, and at night, I think maybe like 3 or 4 nights, I did oil my scalp and massage my scalp, and that's pretty much it. So I am going to finish unraveling everything and I will check back with you guys afterwards. I should probably leave it like this. So this is the way my hair looks after I completely unravel the twist. My hair feels good, it feels soft, but I do have a lot of frizz, and honestly, I can't really blame the product for that because my hair has been doing this whole thing for a while now. But the front does have a lot more definition, as you guys can see here, than the back. But honestly, overall, I do like the results. And like I said, I do not see any major difference between the two products that I use. I just feel like the side, which was this side right here where I used the curl moisture, it does have a lot more shine than the other side where I use the sweet almond heavy cream. So to me, I don't see any major difference between the two creams. I kind of feel like they both serve the same purpose. So it's going to be up to you. I honestly feel like if you're going to buy a cream, you don't need to spend your money on buying both of them. Just decide which one. You can go with the ingredients, check out the ingredients, and decide which ones you would prefer as far as ingredients. But as far as performance, they both perform the same on my hair. So that is that. I am going to turn around so you guys can see the back of my hair and we can see what we are working with. But that is it for my twist out using the two different creams from Obia Naturals. And I think this is the first time that I've done a comparison twist out. So if you guys would like to see more of those on my channel, please let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't seen part 1 of this video yet, where I did the wash day with the shampoo and the dip conditioner, go ahead and check it out. I will have it linked for you in the description box and also in the eye up here somewhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I had a lot of fun filming it for you. And if you have any comments, questions, you want to say hi, leave them for me in the comment section down below. If you made it this far into the video and you are not yet subscribed, I am asking for your help. We are trying to grow the channel. All you have to do is subscribe and also ring the notification bell so you can know each time that I post new content. Like, comment, and share, and that's pretty much it. If you want to see more content from me, check the screen. I will leave them for you right there. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in the next one.